For this trade review, we're going to be using 3commas, and we're going to be taking a look at FLOKI USDT. The reason I like to use 3commas is because it keeps all of your trading notes and your trader diary very organized so that we can come back and review your trades just like this. All we have to do is click here, and it's going to load us up a chart. Took us to the 1 minute time frame, so we'll just change that to the 1 day. And then we can see here at the breakout that we were looking for. So here's exactly the trade that I was looking to capture. We saw that there was a wedge here. Price did a breakout to the downside, but it appeared to be a fake breakout. And then it looked like price to me was going to break over this level. So I set my entry right here on this trend line, taking the risk that we're going to come up and potentially experience resistance or seller interest here. So I set my take profit goal, and we can see the trade closed out at that level. Zooming into the 1 hour time frame, we also saw there was a little bit of a consolidation here. So price made an uptrend, consolidated, broke out of that box, and then I chose to go ahead and get in right on this candle as price made a pullback and pushed forward. I was like, you know what, it's going to go ahead and break out. Let me get in right before the breakout. And again, we were using this as a take profit target and this as a take profit target. And as we could see there, 3commas was able to show and label our close. Price went up a little bit, and then I moved my stop loss to be right here, and then I saw price was retracing. I'm like, all right, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and get out. And that's how we were able to secure these profits with 3commas on FLOKI USDT. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like. It helps out a ton. And if you really loved it, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.